would like it now.
Car
No,
for
I
me.
make sense. I make complete
Sir,
sense.
Step out of car. Sort
I'm
it out.
not stepping out of my car.
Sir, you are stepping out of car because I'm asking you. Step out of car. Turn around.
Why are you doing it?
Stop doing that.
All right, I'll set this up for you. Officer observed him crossing the white line several times, pulls him over. I'll link to the unedited video in the description, but I'll watch along with you and provide my legal commentary.
What's up, man? You crossed the white line a couple of times. Everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Do you have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Always.
Where are you coming from?
I live in Northport.
That's not what I asked. I said, where are you coming from?
I'm going home. Work.
That's not what I asked again. Where are you coming from?
I don't have to answer.
Just say I don't want to answer. Don't tell me you're going home.
Okay.
To the question that I'm not asking.
Fair.
Do you have a registration and proof of insurance on you?
Somewhere in here, I have my proof of insurance on my phone. Can you?
No, I'm going to do that because I don't know what are you digging into.
Officer.
I'm not going to listen to you. I'm going to have my lights on and you're going to give me whatever I ask. Okay? Yeah, 15. Can I get a route 294?
Why you gotta do like this?
I need a registration and proof of insurance. Do you have insurance on you?
I have it on my phone. I'll
Let it go.
for you.
Let this go.
Officer,
Step back.
please.
Sir, step out of car for me.
Why?
Because I'm asking you.
No, I understand that you're asking me.
I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
All right, if you think the officer is being unfair about something, the time to argue is in court, not on the street. And the officer has a right to tell you to get out of the vehicle. That's Pennsylvania versus Mimms. It's a case that went all the way to the Supreme Court, and everybody learns it in law school. So it's not even a question of this is not even a question that's a close call. They do have the right to order him out of the vehicle, and by resisting that, he's obstructing now.
If you don't get out of
Why
car.
are you going to put me in handcuffs?
Because that's obstruction. I'm asking you to step out of car. I'm asking you to step out of car nicely. Next time, I'm not going to be that nice. Step out of car for me, sir. I'm completely being cordial with you.
Yeah, I
You
know
just
you are.
started completely wrong foot.
Well, you pulled me over for no reason at all.
That wasn't no reason. You crossed white line multiple times. I was right behind you the whole time in Sumter. Okay?
That's fair. That's fine.
You said I stopped you for no reason at all. So I said,
Right.
what's the reason for a stop?
Right. Was I speeding?
Speeding is not the only infraction in the book, sir.
Officer, please, with all due respect.
Sir, step out of car.
Why?
With all due respect. Because I'm asking you
Can I
to.
have your badge number and
Sir.
your name?
Absolutely. I'm going to give you all this stuff
I would like it now.
when I finish my traffic stuff. Okay? Just step out of car for me for now.
Officer,
Sir,
I've asked you for your name.
I'm going to provide all of that for you.
Okay, that's fine. I know that you will. I would like it now.
Sir,
I have.
I want you to step out of car right
I know
now.
what you want,
but I'm
sir.
asking.
I know what you want.
Okay, so step out of car nicely. You don't make it harder than it should be, man. There's nothing you
I'm
should
not
be worried
doing
about.
anything wrong with you.
I'm asking you to step out of
I
car.
know that you are.
And you need to step out of car.
Why do I need to?
Because I'm asking you to step out of car.
Officer,
Sir,
just because you ask me to do something,
then you need to do.
Why?
That's a lawful request getting out of car.
I'm not sure. I'm not certain.
Okay,
that
that's
true.
fine. That's your interpretation. So get out of car for now before I pull you out of a car.
Are you gonna do that?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Because that's obstruction.
Dude, obstruction. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to call you.
I don't
dude.
care.
I just
Whatever you want to call me.
I'm not obstructing anything.
I'm just asking you to step out of car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to do so.
This is my property.
That's
I
fine.
am inside my property.
And I'm asking you to step
why.
out of your property. So it's not that hard.
You're not wrong. It's not hard. I can step out easily.
Yeah, and please do that then.
Why? Simply
Because I'm
you're
requesting
asking?
you to do that. There's a case law
I
for it, the
understand
Supreme Court case law on it.
What's the case law?
When
Can you
the
explain it
officer.
to me?
No, I don't have to.
No,
but I'm
you should
asking
have.
So when
no,
you
I don't have
respond-
to. But I'm asking you to. But I'm asking you to get out of car. You need to get out of car.
Why?
Okay? Because I'm requesting you to get out of car.
Are we peers?
What's that?
Are we peers?
No,
What are we?
sir. Step out of car,
Please, officer.
sir. For the 10th time, step out
You're
of car.
not wrong. You've asked me to a number of times.
Correct.
Right.
And I want you to step out of car.
But we're peers, and you can't explain why we're not peers.
I don't know what you're saying. You don't make sense at all. Step out of car.
No,
for
I
me.
make sense.
All right, this is something that they teach them in the academy. It's called ATM, Ask, Tell, Make. He's asked him politely several times to get out of the car. The guy's refusing. Now he's told him firmly several times to get out of the car, and he's still refusing. So ask, tell, make. You can guess what comes next. He's going to make him come out.
I make complete
Sir,
sense.
step out of car for me.
Peers. We are peers.
Sir, step out of the car for me for the 20th time now.
No, it's not the 20th. You just said the 10th, and now it's maybe the 11th or 12th. Officer,
I'm going to ask you one more time, then I'm going to pull you out of the car.
I know you will.
So step out
I
of
know
car now.
you will.
Step out of
I
car, sir.
know that you will.
Sir, step out of car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to.
Now you have your partner here.
Correct.
I can't defend myself against you, and you would not even think about
Okay.
how that works.
You know how it works?
I know how it works.
Okay.
I know how it works. You pull me out of my car,
Uh-huh.
even though I've done nothing wrong. You're pulling me out of my car.
You ready? You smell of alcohol is coming from your breath while I'm
Not a
talking to you. Correct. Your eyes bloodshot watery. Okay. Listen to me. You're being completely belligerent for no
I'm
reason at
not
all.
being
You're
belligerent.
argumentative.
I am so much more coherent than you are.
Oh, okay.
It's insane.
Is it? So
You know
these
that.
reason I'm giving you, I'm asking you to get out of car. And also I see
Sorry,
I see an
officer.
open container
Yeah,
in the
there's
center
an open
console.
container there.
Yeah. So all this stuff that I'm explaining, that's the reason you need
Have
to
a
step
beer.
out of car.
Have a
Okay.
beer.
So we step out of car and we're gonna sort
I'm
it out.
not stepping out of my car.
Sir, you are stepping out of car because I'm asking you. Skip out of car. All right. Turn around.
Why are you doing this?
Please. Stop doing that.
Why are you doing this?
All right.
Because
it's all
you're
ask,
being
it's all
completely-
tell, now you're saying make.
I'm not. You're making this up. I wish I had video of you. And
Everything's being
so-
recorded, man.
Fine. Am I being like,
You're being detained as of right now. Yes.
well, why? Why am I being detained?
Because you make me feel unsafe right now.
Is that lawful? Is that the lawful reason for
Yeah.
detaining me?
Stand there. William 15 04. I'm gonna have one to two.
All right, so he was charged with resisting an officer, obstruction without violence. So he didn't get out. He didn't give his ID. So that's obstruction and DUI, which is pretty obvious. He had an open container and he was swerving on the road. And this is in Ohio. In Ohio, 4511.19 is operating a vehicle under alcohol or drugs, and 0.08 is the legal limit in Ohio. And I would bet this guy is pretty much over that. So the officer was correct. You do have a right to order somebody out of the car for officer safety, and that's because with the car, he could drive off. He could have a weapon in there. He could reach for it, so they can pull you out of the car and give you the old Terry stop, pat you down. So I'm glad he didn't go through the farce of the field sobriety test, because field sobriety tests are junk, and you can fail a field sobriety test even if you're sober. But just from the clues he had is enough to arrest him for DUI, and then he can make him take a actual breathalyzer at the station. So the way he was talking, there was something off there. He was confused. He was answering questions that the officer wasn't asking him. He said, where are you going? He said, I'm coming from home, or, where are you going? I live around here. Not answers to what the officer was asking. He went over the line multiple times. So if you did it once, it could be an accident because you were playing with the radio. But if you do it multiple times, I think that's probable cause to pull you over for a DUI. And if you need more probable cause than that, how about the open container of alcohol in his car? So I always am leery when they say I smell alcohol, because that's what they say on every stop, and it's sort of an excuse. And you can't tell on the camera if somebody actually smells like alcohol or not, and if it's just a justification to pull anybody over. But going over the line, that's objective. The way this guy's talking, that's objective. And the open container of alcohol, that's pretty objective. And I think that's enough for a DUI arrest. I will say that attitudes toward DUI have changed a lot over the years. I'm not that old, but I do remember in the 70s and 80s, if you were pulled over for drinking like this, it might be that the officer would just drive you home, or say, how far away do you live? And if it was only like a mile or two, he would say, okay, you drive and I'll follow you. Make sure you don't hit anything. That attitude has changed a lot, obviously. And actually, if you know the expression "one for the road," in the 70s, if you were leaving a bar, sometimes they would give you one beer to go so you could drink it on the way home, and have something to, wash down. Because if you've been drinking all night, how are you going to make it home without another beer? So, that's where one for the road comes from. But obviously, things have changed since then. So this guy has no business being on the road, given how much he drinks. So this guy has no business being on the road, given how much he appears to have been drinking. And this looks like a legit arrest with probable cause and everything. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. He did catch an obstruction charge because he wouldn't get out of the car and he wasn't giving over his ID. So catching 2 charges is always worse than catching 1. And as I said, if you want to argue about something, argue about it in court. But getting out of the car isn't something you can argue about. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, Supreme Court case. So people like to say less is more, but less is more except when it comes to criminal charges, in which case more is more. So, he did catch a DUI, and unfortunately, by not cooperating, got another charge, but at least he didn't fight and catch a 3rd charge. So anyway, like and subscribe, and I'll leave the unedited video in the comments, and I look forward to reading the comment section.